Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in this puzzle page of Saturday, Sunday, August the 31st, September the 1st, 2024. It's actually today, Saturday, and we have two puzzles left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the binary. Two puzzles are already I've done, yes. The 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. So let me continue with this one. The 4 stars binary. 4 stars binary number 9186. 9186. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones, 4, 5, and 5 O's. All right, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And then now I need to think. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Same for here. The 1 and an O with two empty boxes between. An O and a 1. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Then, let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. The 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. This one is not easy, not easy. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which store. The same for here, the O and a 1. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Now I'm stuck. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. If we place number 5, the fifth O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Finished in 6 minutes. Well, without comparing. This one is tough one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.